Send it here.
Dabia makacho se be kan send esimitie. Yemfa hu emene kase. Yemfa dwani ahantan enkasa so nkyere nipa. Baba bieda no yere beto no mo a. Mede ne akwasi ensia. Asem Yi Di Ka bre na edrusin. Mamemfa happy birthday. Enko enfama binya ba kubiatu please me. Yeah. So happy birthday to Inspector Ali Mariama, Asokwa Police District. We free Ukuno Kofi Ejesi Kapa honum. So Mariama, we wish you all the best. You know how he does it. Also he loves you so much. Nyamin shraw. Unshra no nshra pa. Kopim so be yen shra mu nshra. Mani pa nyina hu sampa no nyame na ehraw. So once again happy birthday to Inspector Ali Mariama of Asokwa Police District. We free wankasa okunu owura kofi Ejesi Kapa ehonum. Senator permit wo kire wo on media review. The person net the nyina yetras ne ebu kompo kakra na yehwe baabi a ya hyehye ye man no e de afri baabi a ye de aba bedru obia individual role in making the success and the failures a free bra de ho embassy eneden. That is the kind of reflection person nyina ye. Now before that patrol me chiro video bi that was Nkomo Honorable Stephen Amua, the former CEO of Maslock, now Deputy Minister of Finance. Edi Ewo on Adom TV. She video we na metwa Nkomo so.
Nanya it's very painful. It will be no your bumpire. And you say me ha me. It you feel say on my way aye. Ye kufad wa ye. Why? Oh my baby. Oh my baby. Inti mo nyine enkofo ho. You should think about the poor. Mo nyine oh my no ho. Na de mo ya Ghana na nya. It's very painful. It will be no your bumpire. And you say me ha me. It you feel say on my way aye. Ye kufad wa ye. Why? Oh my baby. Oh my baby. You should think about the poor. Oh my no. It's very painful. It will be no your bumpire. And you say me ha me. It you feel say on my way aye. Ye kufad wa ye. Why? Oh my baby. Oh my baby. You should think about the poor. Oh my no. It's very painful. It will be no your bumpire. And you say me ha me. It you feel say on my way aye. Ye kufad wa ye.
Okay. See, so that was then when Odmenyam for Stephen Amua ye Fenesteka di Nkomo on Adom TV. When he was crying. In fact, let me use the right word, weeping. For the way I nyina ye chire ye man. It's no permission me bisa say position bia President Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo at the man. Fatu team said by 2025 January 7th most of that positions e be free wonsa. Office bia o occupy ye bia no. Ya mampeni and this office no ema no. Fatu team said by 2025 7 January most of them e be free wonsa. E sabben na wotwa e de ato wachi. E din ben na wogya o wachi. E djuma ben na waye o wachi. And now no munum I steka de mame. And now no na I think the majority leader on Asempa FM calling on all leaders. Senior esi wo Kenya no. It might not be too far from us. kwan be ne ye fa so de aboase na be yi a amanfo a ya gitumi de afiri wonsem esi ye di omonim de obakobɔ hya asase kwan be ne ye fa so ye no mu nyine kwa hoyehiem ne ye yi omo so de afiri hoyehiem. So do you think say near why your office na president Edema ma occupy ye no so wani bisa ho sa asem no ejuma ya dema wo hye won sa say ye on behalf of Ghanaians no office why ye to your utmost ability office on Ghana for di ne ye from the president Tonya Ghana for the share one sa from 7 January 2017. Do you think you have been fair to Ghanaians? Do you think you have given your all as president to a vice president? From time I saw Kufremu Esanye, Besine. Do you think you have delivered on your mandate? Officer Nyawaye no aso Ghana fomu. Officer why ye wa from dia e bua mo men chichira konkan. It is a free officer. Dia na wo je chire dia ma Ghana for. To our ministers, members of parliament, MMDCs, CEOs, executive secretaries, executive directors. The office na mo occupy no. From that time I shall say occupy office no ebesi enne what scorecard and awuja no chiri. We are chief director, we are public servant, we are civil servant. Office now woman no scorecard bay and awuja no hono. So I ask myself, and then after 2 years of serving multimedia, say either say me or either say multimedia, if you have to part ways, ejuma ben na mayeja no chiri. Say nyina gitum se ye ma na ko ahonye hie mu a, eye nipa na ye de o man ahye o nsa. Ye gukuru nipa ko bi nkosi ba bi o, eye ye nyina na o man hye nsa. How one ya criticize ya ban? Ya correct ya ban to make sure say omaye at the party amaye. It's part of our duties. What is our scorecard? Amam for diemia. Amam for teso. Amam for high. Baby ameka sa asem wi. Say na steke kano. From day one. And ye MPP, NDC, MPP, NDC, NDC, MPP, NDC, MPP. But the same challenge continues to persist. A be a winning crying, you can't want to see. The center of Accra, Ahoho Najiaboso. The center of Accra. Accra and Ghana capital. Kroni biaya edemu ye no ahoho na agi krona boso ene ko su kolaboni ko cantonment ko East Legon. Most Ghanaians can own properties in these areas. Into ye Ghana ni ya two kuntun sechi wo baby we are near catch o nkra baby emu asase bia ye so ni ohia na o ka ya bekode aba. Did you think so? America sanetiana. What are we doing to build our own Ghanaians? Yedi ahoya ashemu Ghana ni kura koso na ye time na ye ya to see a pekwan bia so ne mani pakro bafo. Scorecard be ni eja no chire. Ahometi o. Ye na kro o man ye de anya kro. Ye na o man no ye de no. Ye pia command e kro de ti. Ye yɛntumi own properties in our own prime areas. Money yɛ deɛ o. Ghana no ɛyɛ Ghana for deɛ o. Ade na wo na agye ekuro mfimfini abɔso. And yet two na NDC, MPP, NDC, MPP. But Omani could do our own same. Show your mining sector. Show telecommunications. How many Ghanaians in the womb? And now we are network to go if you want to you be na shanensa. Onye Ghana ni. Deɛ ne yɛyɛ de abuild Ghana for no. Deɛ ne yɛyɛ. Ti gye Ghana for say ya ma ahoho abedi asase mu de. Ye gye mu say ya ama ahoho na aba bedi ya asase mu de. That is why the fight against Galamsey is becoming more difficult. Now we have two pam, no the call. Now we have for pam, no the call. Not Timemufu a teso. In pen for the Biameka, Messi and Casamon for Yanko Pomach you. But near Bedi, near Debi Tibeto, near Beshe. Say, Ede Maya, then you are failures. Me did your questions here. We are for trust. You're in Pensimu. That's what I know. Kaisa Asem Yi Di Ka.